Why law of attraction doesn't work. The law of attraction is a concept that suggests that positive or negative thoughts can bring about corresponding positive or negative experiences in a person's life. While some people believe in the effectiveness of the law of attraction, others may feel that it doesn't work for them. Here are a few possible reasons why some individuals may not experience the desired results. 1. Misunderstanding or misapplication. The law of attraction is often oversimplified or misinterpreted. It is not solely about positive thinking, but also involves taking inspired action and aligning one's beliefs, emotions, and behaviors with their desired outcomes. Merely thinking positively without taking appropriate action may not yield the desired results. 2. Unrealistic expectations. Sometimes people may expect immediate or miraculous results from the law of attraction. It's important to understand that change and manifestation often take time and effort. Unrealistic expectations can lead to frustration and a belief that the law of attraction doesn't work. 3. Lack of self-reflection. The law of attraction encourages individuals to focus on their desires and beliefs. However, it's equally important to engage in self-reflection and identify any subconscious beliefs or negative thought patterns that may be hindering progress. Self-awareness and addressing any underlying issues are crucial for successful manifestation. 4. External factors. While the law of attraction emphasizes personal responsibility and empowerment, it's important to acknowledge that external circumstances can also influence outcomes. Economic, social, and environmental factors can play a role in shaping our experiences, and they may not always align with our desires. 5. Limited perspective. The law of attraction suggests that we create our reality through our thoughts and beliefs. However, this viewpoint doesn't account for factors beyond an individual's control, such as societal structures, systemic inequalities, or unexpected events. It's essential to recognize that our personal thoughts and actions exist within a broader context. It's important to note that the effectiveness of the law of attraction is subjective and varies from person to person. Some individuals may find it beneficial and see positive results, while others may not resonate with it or experience limited success. It's always helpful to approach personal development concepts with an open mind and explore what works best for you.